All right, guys. I'm back. Finally, a video about the Eclipse, an update. As you can see, I started sanding this left side. I haven't been doing a video on Eclipse for a while, and finally, I got some time to do something. I didn't do nothing since I painted this engine bay. Uh, Finally got a paint a few days ago. Now I started to scuff it with the 400 grit. I pretty much scuffed the half of the car in about an hour. Tonight, I think that's gonna be it. Tomorrow I will continue. The problem is outside it's really cold, so I have no idea if I will have a chance to finish painting this car before it starts freezing really good. It already did started. It just we had a couple of days like today it rained and it's kind of cold. Uh Hopefully when I get my day off I will paint it because during the day it gets warm, so I'll probably get a chance to paint it and clear it afterwards. So I'm just waiting for my day off to do that. Uh, this process right now is simple. It's just a scuffing with 400 grit, or you can get these Scotch Brights as well. Oh, by the way, this box is our next tool review. No, I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but yeah, it's a pretty neat thing. So yeah, I started scuffing it, and I started getting some new things for the car. As soon as I can, I will start, like I said, painting this car. I have problems with cold. It's really cold outside, so yeah. And plus my activator and thinner, they're both normal, which takes a little bit to dry. Instead of like last time I had a fast, so that thing, the engine bay dried really fast. So yeah, uh, pretty much that's all I wanted to say. I did, however, while I was sanding, went through on a couple of spots. Uh, this is really important, guys. If you do get through to the bare metal, don't just paint over it, because sooner or later the paint will chip. It will peel off because it will not stick really good on the metal. So yeah, go through all of your sanding, and then especially on this high wind where car is impacted with the wind, these areas you have to pay attention and spray a little bit primer over it before you start painting. A light coat of primer just to protect that metal, and of course it will let paint stick better. This area here I left it open, not a big deal. uh, Before I start painting this is gonna get whole covered. It after like few weeks it still looks badass. I love it. So yeah, this is how the entire car will look. I got a couple of friends told me, it looks bad. Why would you do carbon fiber most of the car and then mate rest? But yeah, I think it's gonna be sick. I'll see. Maybe eventually I clear matte everything, even the carbon fiber parts. Because I'm not super into shiny cars. First, it's swirl marks on the clear. You can see every single thing. Then you have to buff it, and then it's just it's too much work for me at least. I want to keep it, low profile. This is shiny enough for me, so yeah, this is how it's gonna be. Uh, like I said, if you decide to sand the car, this is a primer that's been sanded. Use, some people say 800 grit, 600 grit. No, just use 400. 400 is just fine. Paint will cover it, especially this metallic paint that I have. It calls for 4 coats, 3 to 4 coats. That will definitely cover all the swirl marks you made. Of course, I wouldn't suggest nothing lower than 400, 320, 240, 180, 150, 180. That's gonna leave a bunch of marks on your car. So 400 is just fine. The paint will stick on it. If you go 600 or 800, you will have a higher chance for paint to peel off of the primer. So yeah, 400 is just fine. Like I said, I did it with the warm water, just a clean warm water, uh, and circular motion if you can. If you can't, then it's flat. I do have what I noticed on this quarter panel right here. Right here is a little indent. So I will paint it. I will paint it over. If I can notice it, then I will cut this whole panel. I mean, fine line it. Fine line it is when you put the fine line tape all around, cut it off from the rest of the car, cover the rest of the car, bondo this part here, and then paint it again. The paint should match, considering it's mate, so it should match. I shouldn't have problems. But yeah, I'll paint it. If I don't see it, uh, it's not gonna be a big deal. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Car, like I said, I haven't been working on it for a while. I finally got some time, and I will have a couple of more review videos on some tools. As well, I will upload some more other videos that I got ongoing. Like I recently got a couple of videos on Honda and a couple of videos on Lancer. So yeah, I'll do that. So yeah, make sure you stick around and check for my videos. I will upload this as soon as I can. And yeah, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share with your friends. Pretty soon I'm gonna do a 50 subscribers giveaway, because I already reached 50 subscribers. So I will be doing a little giveaway for you guys. I got a couple of things that I wanna show. So yeah. Anyway, you guys. Well, that's it pretty much. Yeah. I'll see you guys some other time, and yeah, laters.